Hindi kasi babalik po yan. Tara, ano muna? Yung Rexy.
Dahil wala pa ang photographer, ang tagal niya, yan, isip bata na naman ako. Kulitan time. Tapos ito yung malupit, darating na yung photographer, oh, patay mali siya kunwari. Tapos ito pa, napansin ng photographer, mali yung suot ka ng toga. Baliktad pala, buset!
Isang round po pa po. Ganang ako sumagdan, nahirap po. Ito po pa. Mabilis mo.
From the college faculty, Miss Ophelia Ricafor.
Ay, si Ma'am Ophelia. Bitingin kayo. Bitingin kayo, video to.
Dr. Ferdinand G. Rifariel, Executive Vice President.
Eh!
A big hand to our President and CEO, none other than Mr. Elias S. Cipriano, together with our guest speaker, Dr. Roland Montes.
Ay, graduate na kami. Magmamatya na kami mamaya.
Madam Anne, to Mr. John Michael Cipriano, Vice President for Administration, Nicole Oras, Ms. Madeline Flor, Accounting Supervisor, to the test.
Yay! Graduate na tayo! Na tayo!
I guess graduates, you may now hold your hair.
Excellence Award. For the 2-year Formiland Merit Days. Thank you very much. Once again, congratulations, graduates.